Sleep is one of the most important parts of our day, and a lot of times we put focus into our bed or our pillow to try and make sure we get the best sleep. But the things we don't actually think about is how we're waking up. A lot of times waking up with anxiety or being irritated or just really sluggishness in the morning has a big part to do with how we wake up. In this day and age, we rely a lot on very sharp, harsh alarms to just instantly wake us up. But that's not what our body actually wants. It's been proven that the best way to wake up is gradually with the sunrise, but obviously we're not going to be getting up that early, and that's where the Dreamegg Sunrise one comes into play. There is a total of 29 white noise variations that you can choose from, which really allows you to customize whichever sound works best for you to fall asleep or wake up to. Then you do have a bunch of different colors that you can choose for your mood lighting at night to create that ambient feeling for you to fall asleep to. And you can, of course, adjust the brightness. So not only is the Dreamegg one designed to help you wake up fresh and not irritable in the morning, feeling like you actually got a great night's sleep, it's actually here to help you get to sleep in the first place. If you are someone who struggles with sleeplessness or stress, anxiety when you're going to sleep, sometimes I find myself overthinking and I start thinking about everything in the day that happened or I need to do the next day, and I struggle to get to sleep. That's where the Dreamegg Sunrise one has you covered. Not only does it display different colors, so it will allow you to set a relaxing mood for you to actually comfort yourself and fall asleep to, it does also have that different white noise, and you do have a bunch to choose from. Now you can set timers for everything and customize everything. So if you only want the white noise running for half an hour, 2 hours, you can set that and it will turn off in the middle of the night. Or maybe you are someone who wants it to run throughout the whole night. And that is completely possible with the Dreamegg Sunrise one. All the controls are on the top. From the left, you're able to adjust the brightness of the time display. You're able to turn it on and off, set a timer, switch between the white noise tracks, set the time. You can snooze. You can set a wake up timer. You can then adjust the volume of the tracks. And of course, you can change the colors. And then you have the brightness of the colors. So to wrap it up, the Dreamegg Sunrise one has your best sleeping in mind. It's got functions to help you to get to sleep with white noise and different ambient lights. You can set timers for how long you want everything operating. And then of course it has the sunrise feature, which is fantastic. It's going to help your body naturally wake up and not be irritable and feeling that anxiety of just waking up instantly, not really sure what's going on. And it's all in a very aesthetic and cool design. If you are interested in picking up a Dreamegg Sunrise one, we are going to leave a link in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment below why you think the Dreamegg may be the perfect solution for your sleeping habits. Hit that like and share button, and of course subscribe for more great reviews like this.